So this is the pick-up point for the Little Italy tour. The kiosk, nobody's here at the minute. We've made sure we've got here way in early good time.
You are free to take pictures or
Okay.
video, anything you want, okay?
Yes?
Now, China. One of the biggest towns in China. Association. It is a place when the Chinese towns, the Chinese, how they dress in America. They start wearing a top hat already in a way. How the lady are wear.
Okay.
All right. So take your time and take a look.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
I don't know what you say. 52.
Mark is the name of a butcher. Mr. Mark. This is another main street, Pale Street. All right, I told you about that. They have the dancing hall and everything. This is it. Now let's come down to this corner. Together we can win. That's what it says. Okay.
Okay.
You see this one with the orange sign? That was the dancing hall since 1830s. There was a dancing hall for the Chinese. Hello.
幾多飯啊？
而家 Very soon they can charge money because of this.
Okay. The Manhattan Bridge.
Mulberry Street, which is one of the main streets of Little Italy. Okay? If you look at the street sign, actually it says the song that says "Hola," one of
Well,
the Italian. There was Tommy going to shoot everybody down. They even make a movie out of it. That was all the box. Okay?
E.ROSSI.
Right. We still run this shit now. Don't find me if one of the workers says buy something from me. Okay?
pick up tomorrow. Tomorrow, second. What'd you say? What's the first one?
10:50.
Okay. Huh? Is it? Oh, let's come there. I'm getting lazy now.
Yeah, I don't hang around no more.
This is a nice place to eat.
Yeah.
You even see Frank Sinatra's mug shop behind the bottle.
Yeah.
I don't know why he wants to hide everything, but that's the way it is.
Let's see if we can get it. Hopefully it's not too much.
As I said, this food used to be lived by all Sicilian. But now, it's all, what you see is all trees of the city. Not like you. These are city trees. I have friends, she owns this building. You see this building? She owns this building. This is social cup right here. How's the leg? How about your dog? How's the leg? came with his grandfather. And then his grandfather passed away when the boy was only 15 years old. They live in this building. That's the headquarters, that's the top part of the police plaza.
Yeah.
It was owned by somebody you know about a year ago, a year and a half ago. So now it's sold to somebody else for a small chunk, 23 million US dollars. 75. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, now then, as an Italian, the mafia those days, they call themselves the Black Hand. They make a very big mistake. They extorted an opera singer, the most famous one those days, Caruso. They said to Caruso that you cannot perform in New York unless you pay extortion. You don't do that to Italians. So for PETROSINO to do something, he went back to Sicily. Now he left when he was a young boy, so no one knows it. So he went back to Sicily undercover. Somebody stupid in the police plaza in a news conference, and in the news conference, when the reporter asked him, "What are you going to do about this extortion?" The police said that, "Oh, don't worry about it. We have somebody in Sicily doing investigation now." They forgot something. The mafia lose favor too. So they want to find out in Sicily. They want to find out who's been snooping around and ask questions. And they found out this little midget has been asking questions. So that was 1902.
Like not like it's scented.
They murdered him in Sicily. Now let's come and take.
Actually, I'm on walking, so.
$200,000 people in New York. So these are the new. Anyway, they named the square.
Higher. People like to come on about something for the car.
That's our Little Italy tour done, guys. I caught as much of it as I could on camera. The little. So I was saying, guys, Xian didn't really feel that tour. It was our own private tour, that of Little Italy and Chinatown.
What did you learn there? Look.
I met a few of the locals.
Sound.
And I enjoyed the little walk. Hello again, guys. So back in the room, we're just about to go out. We've changed our date and time for the ride, so we're going to go and do the ride now. Just show you this photo from the Little Italy tour. The guy took us into an old shop, and we spoke to the guy who worked there, and he gave us this postcard from Little Italy in 1900, I think he said it was, and he signed the back. Yeah, 1900. He was a nice little guy.